Uganda, welcome. Introduce yourselves as we come in, as we start our day. We have Juliet from Kenya, Khadija from Uganda, Levine from Nairobi, Kenya. We have Jennifer, Brent, Susan, Suruchi. It's too loud? Okay. Is that okay for everyone? Great. Sorry about that. So we're still having introductions trickling in. We have Esther from Kenya, Ochieno from Kenya, Jacqueline, Herbert, Jack Odhiambo. Let's come on with the introductions as we start. We have Sobelo from Tanzania, Jomo from Kenya, Bernard Mokaya from Kenya. Oh, we have Kawesi, Eric, Shetty from Bangalore, India, sorry. Let's have them introductions trickling in. All right, we'll be about to move to our next question. Hello, Anthony. Hello, Robai. Hello, Penina. Hello, Kali. Today we do have quite some number of presentations, and today we'll be hearing a lot from our implementers, so please stay tuned throughout our session. So we even have Paul from the UK. We have Gadisa from Lesotho. Welcome, everyone. So we'll move on to the next question. And the next question is, what do you expect to happen today? What are some of your expectations for today? So I'll go ahead and we are using the same link. You should see the question has already changed. I'll just post the link for those who haven't yet seen it on the chat window. There we go. We already have people trickling in. We have some exciting discussions. Connecting with everyone. Yes, this is supposed to be social, us meeting together after a while and sharing some of the progress we've made. And of course, connecting. More showcases. Yes, we do definitely have those lined up. Great lessons to learn from others. Okay, have a look at innovations from different implementers, networking, bringing together themes from yesterday, seeing what other implementers are doing, interesting examples from implementers, different implementations, OpenMRS Academy Squad presentation, lightning talks. Ooh, another fun photo session. Done that in a while. See what we can do. Learning from the rest, exciting presentations from implementers, Q&A Q&A with squads. So we have people who would like to see to have a Q&A session. Showcasing OpenMRS features, implementation challenges, and learning from the field. Let's bring them on. Here implementation experiences out there as well as share ours. That's amazing. So I bet you've signed up for our implementation showcase. Access to more than one breakout session. Okay, we hear you. We'll check into that as well. I'll just get two more, and then we can switch over on going through our planned schedule for today. So we still have learned from implementation. So today, from what I'm sensing, is people are very much eager to see what different implementations are doing, so that we learn from each other. And we do definitely have that lined up. We have about 3 to 4 implementation showcases scheduled for today, and so you'll get to see what people are definitely working on. All right, then we'll then just switch over to start. So I'll just first of all put a pause on this, and we can start by going through our schedule for today. So for today, we have we are just currently starting with the intro to the day, and we'll also do a bit of recognition. And then we do have a session that talks about meaningful engagement, that is collaborative practices. We'll have this session being led by Jennifer. We'll then go on to a session on professional development experience showcases, and at this we have a few squads present. We will then have we'll have some lightning talks focused on mobile and offline solutions. Over here we have a couple of members who have signed up. We will then have a 15 minutes break and then move on into a breakout session, whereby we'll have quite a number of discussions which we'll share as we move on. We'll then do, of course, have a presentation about the breakout session, and then of course, go into our implement experience showcase. We do have some squads under this particular session, and of course this is where we'll be having our implementers doing their presentation on the various work they are working on. We'll then do, of course, an after action review, seeing what worked out today, what did not work out today. And then, of course, given this is our last day, we will then be closing our 2-day meeting. So that's what we'll be having scheduled for today. All right then. So in terms for our intro, our recognition, we'll be having Sanjay will be taking us through on this particular session. Sanjay, we have Sanjay on the line. Sorry. All right. I think we can just go ahead and start off, given time. So over the since our last meeting, we've had a few community members who have moved up a few levels. We've had a few fellows who have also managed to complete their fellowship program and are graduating. And during this session, we'd like to just take a keynote of some of our members. So just going through. Sorry. So we have that. Sorry, this is, yeah. Great. So we have that over there was always a question of how are we making sure that people are growing within our community, moving up the ladder as they continue improving their skills. And we have and what we've been having is that over now time we're frequently reviewing members, and we're having different communities member being nominated to move up at dev level. We also have other programs that have come in to help in ensuring that as community members continue growing in skill, they're getting recognized. We are also impacting skills to help them do that through our OpenMRS fellowship program, and of course our stage improvement. So as you can see from the diagram below, we can see that we've over the since September 2019 up to where we are currently in July, we've managed to move up and have at least more increasing people moving to higher dev levels. So where we already have 9 people in dev level 5s, we have 2 moving up to dev level 4 and 5 moving up to dev level 3. And just to put some of the names to some of our talent that is going up, we have this time round, we have for dev level 5, we have Stephen Musoke, Willa, and Joseph Kawesi, who have moved to dev level 5s. So we can already congratulations. We also have for dev level 4, we have Moses and Nathan. Congratulations as well for moving up at dev level. And then we have for dev level 3, we have Rishabh and Cliff, who have moved up. And for dev level 2, we have Suruchi, who has also been supporting the community. You can show your appreciations and congratulations to all the members who've managed to move up in the pipeline. In terms of our OpenMRS fellows, we have a few who have graduated. And before we go that, we will just go through a bit about the process. So we have that the OpenMRS fellowship program came in to ensure that we are having, we could use already existing senior senior technologists to be as mentors within the community, pairing them with other members within the community so they can impact and learn from them. And then by this, they'll be able to expand their skills. And with that, what has happened so far, we have a bit of a timeline here just to show how the program has been going on. We have this kicked off within the last quarter of 2020, whereby we had fellowships on development and product management. And then in the first quarter of 2021, we had the kickoff for the quality assurance and the dictionary management fellowship. And so currently we've just wrapped up round 1 fellowship, which is on the development and product management. And of course, looking forward, we'll be looking at completing the round two fellowships, that is for the quality assurance and the dictionary management, and that is at quarter 4 of 2021. And for the fellows who have just completed their fellowships, would like to congratulate Moses from Uganda, who is an OpenMRS fellow mentor right now for the fire and analytics, and they're also on Dev 4. And we have Cliff Gitter from who have also moved up who is OpenMRS fellow from the fire and analytics, and of course Dev 3. So special recognition to those members for the work that you've well done. All right. Okay, we'll then move on to our next session. for today. But before that, I would just like to welcome Jennifer in case there are any housekeepings or anything we've missed out before we start our day.
Maybe just one thing. I saw a request to share the breakout session topics for the day. Maybe Christine, you can advance one slide. We were based on yesterday's feedback, we thought that maybe we could have 3 breakout sessions today. Maybe one where we could have the squads or presenters from yesterday's data exchange showcase do a little Q&A. Another one focusing on professional development for 3.0, that kind of came up in yesterday's breakout session. And then maybe we can also start digging into 2.x to 3.0 migration. So if these topics sound good to you, let us know. Use the reactions in Zoom. If you are willing to help moderate the data exchange squad's Q&A, let Christine or myself know. I've already got a facilitator for the professional development breakout session and possibly for the migration one. So just a heads up, those are the topics that we're thinking about for our breakout sessions. We are open to additional breakout topics. If you have a suggestion, put one in the chat. We can make as many breakout rooms as people would like. But we do need moderators and people to engage in the conversation. So please feel free to suggest topics and we'll see what we can do.